50 points earned in 1 day. Fuck yeah. I'm a fucking Codecademy ninja. Ninja. Close. Start next lesson. Sky's the limit. You're damn right. Instructions. When you're ready, click Save and Submit Code. I knew it was going to be that. I knew it was going to be that. Next course, CSS and Overview. Clickable photo page. Let's tweet about this bitch. Render this video and upload it. Start the next one. I'm determined to beat that 7 hours. It's no reason why it should take 7 hours to learn HTML, CSS. Alright. Let's go here. For some reason, I thought that said AngularJS and Overview. I was like, what? 40%. We are so close. Let's knock this shit out, guys. Alright, guys. We are at 40%. I can almost taste it. After this one, it should put us over 50%. Hopefully, this is like a 15-part one. 26. Oh, God. 26 parts. Alright, CSS and Overview. Guys, 26 parts. Holy shit. So we've got this thing here of stolen copyright images, which is pretty hilarious. YouTube's probably going to flag me for that one. Remove the comment from around the link tag on line 4. Then view the result in the preview pane. So we're going to do this. We're going to do Control-Shift this thing. All right. And it added a little style sheet, which is pretty cool looking. So save and submit code. Getting off to a good start here. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. A style sheet is a file that describes how an HTML file should look. Remember how I said it's the paint? This is what it is right here. So in the span, we're probably going to have to add some stuff there. So click on Style Sheet CSS. It's that tab near the top of your screen. All right, so we need to make the span stuff blue. So we're going to do color blah, blue blah. Like this. Why separate form from function? Great work. Look at you. You're already writing CSS. All right. Go to the Style Sheet CSS tab and still tell the span selector that you want the font family to be cursive. Okay, we're going to do font family cursive. What? There we go. This looks like Comic Sans. All right. So, makes sense. Good. Hit save and submit to continue. Link it up. So, insert a link to Style Sheet CSS in index.html. So, in head, I think it goes like this. Link href link rel, that's what it is. Rel equals style sheet href equals style sheet dot css. Then this thing, is that how you do it? Yep, that's how you do it. Start next lesson. Alright, PSA, self-closing tags. This brings up a quick but noteworthy concept in HTML, the self-closing tag. So, because nothing ever goes between link tags, it's okay to use a single set of brackets to the opening and closing tags. You do that like so. You may notice us do the same thing with the image. Most tags are not self-closing. Alright, hit save and submit code. Alright, so CSS syntax. Syntax for the Wintax. CSS syntax is different from the HTML you've used to, but don't worry, it's easy to pick up. The general format looks like this. I've already explained that to you guys. A selector can be any HTML element like P, body, A, head, things like that. A property is an aspect of a selector. For instance, you can change the font family, color, and font size of the text on your web pages in addition to many more. A value is a possible setting for a property. Color can be red, blue, black, or almost any color. Wasting my time. Okay, time for you to write down some CSS on your own. In the Style Sheet tab, make the font color of the P selector green. Okay, so we're going to do it like this. We're going to do P, open this thing. We're going to do color, this thing, green, that thing, this, then close that. And it works. Save and submit code. One selector, many properties. Great work. Another cool advantage of CSS is that you can set many properties for one selector. For instance, if you want to set a paragraph's font, font color, and font size, there we go. All right, so underneath your color green property, value pair, but before the final, set the font family to Garamond. Font family. Garamond. And the font size to 24px. Now, he's probably doing this from an Apple or something because Garamond is not a standard font for PCs. So make all the H3 headings red. So we're going to do H3 color red. Set all the paragraphs to the Courier font family. So P. Alright, the second paragraph contains text between span tags. Set the background color of the span tags to yellow. Yellow. Alright. This is telling us to put semicolons at the end of every line. So the CSS in Style Sheet is broken, so we need to add semicolons to all of these. Plenty of semicolons to go around. Whoa, that ain't good. Something is still not right. Something isn't right here. Huh. There should have been a reason why it wasn't colorizing that text right there. Start the next lesson. Save and submit code. Nope. See the CSS we've added for the P selector in Style Sheet CSS? Comment it out. All right. Add a link to Style Sheet CSS between your head tags. Link rel equals style sheet href equals stylesheet.css. Whoops. There we go. Change the H1 headers font family to Verdana. H1 font family Verdana. Change the H3 headers font family to Courier. Make the paragraph text color to purple. And then add a comment. Oh, type text CSS. I forgot about that. Type equals text CSS. All right. Congratulations, you finished this section. We're almost halfway through. Hexa what now? You've got the main ideas. Now, this is the hex values I was telling you about for colors. So, they're talking about base 10, base 16, and all that kind of stuff. So basically, the gist of it, hex values are 0 through 9 and A through F. So the value goes from 0 all the way to F. So save and submit the code to continue. Start with the next lesson. Roses are red. So make the H3 color C66. Color equals this thing, CC1234, this thing. Make the H2 color this. Pixels and EMs. Alright, so coincidentally, I was telling you guys about this earlier. So PX and EM. So what EM does is like you set a base pixel size. Like if the font size of body is 12 pixels, then 1 EM is 12 pixels, 2 EM is 24 pixels. So that's basically what it means. In my head, I think of it as like elastic measurement. So anyway, that's what all this is explaining to you. So save and submit code. A font of knowledge. We've also asked you to change the font family of certain elements using CSS. So set the font family of H1 header to serif, the H2 to sans serif, and the H3 to cursive. Okay, so we're going to do H1 font family serif, H2, this one, font family sans serif, H3 to cursive. All right. Backup values. That's the whole comma thing I was telling you about. So in the Style Sheet CSS tab, as times as an option before serif. All right. Times before serif. All right, so in the Style Sheet CSS tab, set the background color to C. So we're going to do body, background, color, this, all right. Oh, that's for div, not body. All right, many HTML elements support the border property. This can be useful within tables. So first you're going to have the thickness, then you can have like a solid line or a dashed line, then you can have the color there. So that's like compounding CSS not selectors, but yeah, is it selectors or properties? Anyway, set your TDs, table data cells, to have a height of 50px. So you're going to do selector 2px solid red. All right, so we're going to do TD border 1px dashed blue. All right, in the style on the style sheet CSS tab, give your A selector of color a color of CC00 and a text decoration of none. Check out how the link changes in the result tab. All right. So we're going to do A color check out how the link changes in the tab. All right, next, review. All on your lonesome, add a link tag between head and head tags in the HTML tag to the right. The link should have an href attribute that points to style sheet CSS. Okay, fair enough. Link rel equals style sheet type equals text CSS href equals style sheet CSS. Close this up. Save and submit the code. Next lesson. All right. So add a pair of h1 tags inside the body of our HTML page. Your h1 header can say whatever you want. Then on the CSS tab, make its font family to Verdana and its color to 576D94. So, all right, get some space here. All right, so h1. Okay, I think we got this right. 4A4943. Oh, it's because I used equals. Yep. As we've seen, sometimes a user's computer doesn't have the mega sweet fonts we wish it had. For that reason, we give their browser a few fallback choices. So, set the P family to Garamond. Remember how I said we didn't have Garamond? Font family. Garamond. Give H1 a backup font of sans serif. Oh, we missed the tweet again. Alright, 75 points in one day. I am a boss. Tweet. Size and borders. Excellent. Your page is a little bland, though. Let's add a picture with a border. Motherfucker, your page is bland. Add an image to your HTML document. A source attribute can point anywhere. All right, this should work. One px solid pound 468 2b4. What am I doing wrong here? What? Wait, what? I think it's not working because I'm not giving it an image URL. So let me try this. What the hell is going on here? How does it want the border? Hang on, we're gonna have to check the forum on this one. What the fuck? Let's try it with this in there, just for shits and giggles. Hey, what's up, dude? You ready? Alright, let me finish up with this video and I'll be over there. Alright, bye. That was our very own speaking code. Shit. What the fuck is wrong here? I don't understand it. I don't understand it. Everybody's giving these bullshit answers and nothing is correct. Let's reset the zoom and see what happens. Oh, wow. I wonder why this actually worked that way. Huh. Anyway, let me pause this real quick, pick up this phone call. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Huh. I wonder if there's anybody else in the world that can go ahead and call me to mess up my video. Anyway, so start the next lesson. This should be the final one. It's probably just going to be like press save and submit to be done. So add a link to your HTML page using ahref URL tags on the CSS tag. Change your link's text decoration to none and its color to CC00. Ready to be done and yell at these people that call me while I'm filming a fucking video. Text decoration none, color this one. Alright, hopefully this worked. Yes, it worked. Alright, CSS and overview is done. I'm going to take a minute to render out some videos and vent some frustration over this last one. I couldn't figure out what was going on, so I guess it has something to do with the window size. So hit close here. Let's see exactly how far we got. Hopefully 50%.